spiritual, magical, must see. We're off. We've been wanting to visit the Blue Falls area in Costa Rica ever since I saw some photos, and now we're here. So first up is Catarata Del Toro, and then we'll do the Blue Falls section, which is 6 blue waterfalls that are gonna look absolutely incredible. We bought the combo package. It was 25 bucks each. It gives you access to both Del Toro and the Blue Falls area. Catarata Del Toro is a 3.5 kilometer hike to the base. Alrighty, we're beginning our downward climb to the base of the waterfall. There are 350 steps. And they are not easy. They're steep. And after a rain, pretty wet. So we started way up there. Came into this super cool volcanic bowl with basalt columns. You can see all of these over here. That's volcanic formations. Well, that is freaking pretty. Now, we're going down to just above water level. So muddy, actually quite muddy. We're walking through a little river. This is so cool. This waterfall is so freaking cool. So worth it. If you visit Costa Rica and San Jose area, it's only less than a 2-hour drive. You get to see this. Absolutely perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Woo! Now we're on to the next one. So as we were coming up the trail, we saw a mom and a baby sloth just climbing into the trees. It was just a cool experience. One of our best sloth views of the entire trip. Like watching you just navigate the trees and the branches. Like normally sloths are incredibly slow. They don't move, but this time we got one being agile and just had the most amazing time watching it cruise through the canopy.
And a baby.
After about 15 or 20 minutes of watching the sloth just hang around, move around, and do whatever sloths do, it eventually went out of view and we headed onto the Blue Falls Trail for the next part of our adventure. Next up is Blue Falls. There are 7 gorgeous waterfalls, though only 6 are accessible today. I'm excited to take you all along with. little shaky, a little shaky. All right, it took about 0.7 miles and 18 minutes to get to the junction between half of the falls on the left, half of the falls on the right. We went to the left. Now we're heading down to see some blue water. Yep. This is Los Sills-Trausch, the widest waterfall of the Blue Falls area. Woo. Okay. Yeah. Los Encounter. Absolutely incredible. Alright, we're going on to the last of our 3 waterfalls. Starting at the farthest one. Well, for this one, to reach the farthest one, you have to go up and then down. These steps are huge, incredibly massive, very tiring. This is magical. This canyon, holy shit. So pretty. Oh my god. Every corner that we go to, being blown away, and the main waterfall's coming right up. It is now actively raining, we're getting wet, but this was spiritual, magical, must see. Woo!
Crazy.
Woo! And then there's another one right there. We are so wet. It is raining. This thing is blowing tons of water at us. But it's magical. So magical. Alright, well, we were kind of damp before going to that one, and we are now completely soaked. Rain, huge mist off of this, but oh my god, look at this blue water. The waterfall, and then there's that one tucked back there. Absolutely perfect. So perfect. Woo! One more to go, then we get to go into the one part. Alright, our final one, Costa Rica. Blue pools, I think. Normally, this is one of the pools that you would be easily allowed to go into and kind of scramble up towards the far edge on the right. But today it was too cold and too wet, and we opted just to look at it and then head on back after an absolutely incredible day at Blue Falls.